Hello everybody, this is Jerry. So, like I told you, I have back problems. I have hernia disc, bulging disc, and a few days later, my doctor called me and she said that I have arthritis. That's why, I have been feeling the way I have been feeling without being able to walk for a long period of time, or I need to use my cane or my walker. So, like I said, no more scrapping for me for a while until I can figure out if this is treatable or not. But there's a lot of arthritis that relates to the back. So, I don't know exactly which one I have yet because I haven't gone to the doctor so I can see the paperwork. They just told me that I have arthritis. They mentioned one of these words. I just can't remember which one it was. So I need to go back to the doctor and get all the paperwork, see exactly what's going on. But let me just give you a quick idea of what back arthritis does. And this video explains it so well. So let's wait until it loads.
Lumbar osteoarthritis is a form of degenerative arthritis in the low back that causes pain, stiffness, and inflammation in the joints between vertebrae.
So that's what I was feeling. I was feeling stiff, and I felt that bones were rubbing bones with bone, and then I was having the muscle spasm, so that's why I was hurting. So let's continue watching it so you can understand a little bit more.
There are two facet joints on the back of each vertebra that connect the bones of the spine and allow for a small amount of movement. Wear and tear on facet joints in the lower spine causes the cartilage between the two bony sides of the facet joints to break down.
So this is what's happening with me. When they did the x-ray, they found out that the cartilage is breaking down, so now the bones are rubbing bone with bone, and that's what every movement that I do, it hurts. So hopefully they can do something about it, so I won't be in a lot of pain.
Without cartilage, the bony parts of the joint rub together as the spine moves. As a result, the joint loses motion and the surrounding tissue becomes inflamed. Osteoarthritis of the spine commonly occurs as a result of aging, trauma to the spine, and repetitive movements. It does not always result in back pain. Symptoms of lumbar osteoarthritis include decreased back motion and flexibility.
And that's what's happening with me. I cannot bend down to reach stuff, or I cannot go back. And at the same time, when I go to bed, I have to be careful. So let's continue watching it.
As well as stiffness and pain in the lower regions of the back. Back muscles may spasm to help stabilize the spine.
And that's what was happening with me when I went to the doctor. I was having a lot of muscle spasm because, like the lady saying, it needs to do that so the bones there will not rub each other anymore, like it's gonna say in a little bit.
Bone spurs may form on the surfaces of the facet joints as a response to joint pain and instability. These bone spurs can then irritate or compress nearby nerves in the spine, causing symptoms of radiating nerve pain. Lumbar osteoarthritis is a common cause of low back pain in people over age 60. Early diagnosis and lifestyle modifications are helpful in treating arthritic pain.
So anyways, that's what is happening with me at the moment. I also went into the internet and found out that by sitting too much can cause that too. And since I was in IT, I was doing a lot of sitting, providing customer service over the phone and stuff like that. So in a few days, I'm gonna go see the spinal cord doctor, and he's gonna tell me what treatment is gonna be next. Hopefully it's not surgery. I don't want surgery. I have talked to a lot of people here in the internet, and they said that having surgery was not the answer. They're still hurting. So I'm gonna wait and see what I can do with exercises or medicine or other stuff, but I don't want no surgery. All right, guys. I just wanted to make this video so you know what's happening with me, and that way you know why I'm not going to be scrapping for maybe for a few months, but hopefully I can get back to scrapping. I love doing that. I love trash picking, finding good stuff that people throw, going to dumpsters like in companies and hitting big jackpots. We would just have to see, you know, we have to play it by day or month by month, and hopefully I get better.